In this video, we will show you how easy it is to add a new iNet door controller into our Identity Access 9 software. At the top of the screen, select Setup and then click on Controllers. Next, select the magnifying glass icon located here to launch the Find IP Controller wizard. Click on Next. Select the IP range you wish to scan to locate your controller. Click Next and the software will now scan the network range specified for iNet controllers. The power of the wizard is that we can find all the controllers in one action. Place tick next to the controller to select it. Click Next and then Finish. The controller has now been added to the system. If you wish to change the name of the controller for easy identification, you can do this by either double-clicking the controller or by right-clicking and selecting Edit. To add doors and readers to this controller is straightforward. Firstly, highlight the controller and then click on the door wizard icon. Here you will see that we can create doors and readers based on 3 different types of configuration. A single door with reader in, a single door with reader in and out, or 2 doors with a reader in, which is the capacity of a single iNet controller. In this example, we are going to add a single door with reader in and out. Select this option, give your door a name, and click on Accept. The software will warn you that any doors and readers that have previously been assigned to this controller will be removed. As this is a new controller, we can click Yes to continue here. You can now see under Doors that the door has been automatically created, and under Card Readers that the card readers have been automatically created. You now need to add some groups and some employees. We recommend that you watch our videos on how to achieve this. Your new controller is now fully functional and can be tested. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. In the description box, you will find more useful tutorials that will help you configure identity access.